Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width property. And right now we'll be discussing about how to set a specific size for the left border width. So quickly, let's get to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the how to set a specific border width for our bottom border. But right now we are going to target this left border right here. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our code right here. We are seeing this, we are having this right now. Let's to target the left border itself. Definitely we are going to specify another value again. This value we can give it, let's give it 2 pixels so you can see the difference easily. Now come here and reload. Can you see when I reload? Can you see we are able to target our left border right here? Just imagine, easily. That's all. So let me tell you now, the fact is that anytime you want to target the left border width, so you make sure that you have four values inside your border width right here, and also make sure that you are targeting only this only the last value right here, because the last value you are seeing right here, which is the fourth value, is going to be the one you should target. Is going to be the one that will increase and decrease your border width of the left side. So let me increase it again to 69 so you can see how it works. Can you see when I increase it to, let's say I increase it to 200 again. Let me increase it to 200. Can you see? Even if I increase it to what, to 300, it's going to work. Let me reload. Can you see? That is the benefit of targeting the left border width. Can you see? The width is getting higher and higher. The size is getting higher and higher. So that is one of the things I have to tell you right now. Anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye.